The safety of our employees is paramount at DM Plumbing. Our guys need to be able to and to be encouraged to work safely so they can go home healthy to their families. I'm Troy Williams, Director at DM Plumbing. We specialise in large commercial projects, government projects, defence, schools, hospitals and residential. We're involved in projects from the beginning: planning, budgeting, management, engineering, design, construction, all the way through to completion. In a management role, safety is held in extremely high regard. Passing that down to our foremen and then down to our employees and our apprentices is very important.
I'm James Secluda. I'm a foreman at DM Plumbing. We used to use a paper system before Worx app, which was a lot harder to manage. This app is a lot more streamlined and has improved our safety quality.
With our quality systems, we rely on the guys to carry out ITPs, which is inspection and test plans. These are carried out through the Worx app. We find the guys are much more receptive to this than using paperwork. Plus, flicking off some photos, filling out the ITPs and having them sent straight back to our headquarters helps our management control these systems as well.
The app is really easy to use. The crew didn't need much training and we were able to roll it out straight away.
We've had some really positive feedback from our team in relation to Worx app. Not just what they tell us, but in the results. We're getting instant forms, not weekly forms. We're getting instant toolbox talks. We're getting instant safety audits. I think the guys find it much easier to use forms that are on a device that's in their hands rather than having to use paperwork, which they can forget to bring in or they can lose or just sometimes couldn't be bothered doing.
We use the Worx Safety app to do our daily pre-starts, machine pre-starts, our ITPs and SWMS. We also use the app to upload our photos to keep track of our jobs. This is really helpful with project managing, auditing and communications with the client.
With the introduction of QR codes, it's very simple for the guys to track their equipment and, more importantly, track the maintenance of our vehicles and machinery.
We simply scan the QR code with our devices, which takes us straight to the app, which we then fill out before we use the asset. The great feature of the app is that our crew can access the app on their phone to upload timesheets, which saves coming into the office and filling out paper copies. It gives me confidence that the app contains the most recent documentation. This really helps reduce mistakes.
The forms are instantly available to the office, which leads to happy management and therefore happy clients. Once we've had the Worx app, our attitude to safety has improved dramatically. We see a lot less complacency and the communication between us and our foremen, our employees and our apprentices, the communication is much simpler. Most importantly, getting the information from the site back to the office. We can see what the guys are doing on site every day and not waiting for the guys to bring the results in at the end of the week. We're happy with the way our foremen are presenting a safe work site. That makes management happy, that makes the foreman happy, and that also leads to a much more positive work environment for all of our employees.
The Worx Safety app is not just for plumbers, it can be used throughout other industries, and I highly recommend it as it is very easy to use and has really helped us stay on top of quality and safety.
I'd highly recommend Worx app to other businesses. Being in a management position, one of the hardest things we do is control paperwork, control forms, control maintenance, and control people. By using Worx app, everything's instant. You know it's done, it reduces our stress levels, and we can concentrate on other things. It improves workflow, it improves harmony, and it improves our relationship with our clients.